My name is Guglielmo Cavalcabò. I am the technical responsible for the development of the new TruePrint 2000 machine, the metal 3D printer with the premium quality. In order to guarantee the higher quality of the printed parts, one of the most important topics in the design of the powder bed metal printer is the fluid dynamics of the inert gas circuit, mainly inside of the process chamber, of course, but also the entire inert gas circuit has to be optimized. We decided to install a Becker pump in our machine because of its very good gas tightness, constancy in performance, and the reliability of the long-time operation. Thanks to our Becker partner, we can ensure all of our customers the high quality of our products.
My name is Andreas Wiesner. I have developed AM machines for many years. Today I run a company providing services, mainly producing metal AM parts. For me as a user of 3D metal printers, high productivity with uninterrupted and trouble-free operation is absolutely important. Becker's new intelligent gas recirculation and filter system provides me on that.
With our long engagement in gas recirculation and metal AM applications, we truly understand the importance of the gas flow for a high-quality inert atmosphere. And there is more. Listening to customers' voices, increased productivity is the key requirement. And that motivated us to the new development of a fully automated gas recirculation and filter system, which enables uninterrupted, long AM machine operation. And we're doing that in a focused team with an agile approach for fast results. At Becker, we value the customer-specific solutions of our products and systems. And we always cater for the best build chamber atmosphere for premium 3D printing results. Becker is your solution provider, from single components such as gas-type blowers and heat exchangers to complete systems.